What's up guys? Welcome back to my new video. So listen, I recently got a custom steering wheel done and it only cost me $50. Actually it cost me 100, but I'm gonna tell you how you can get it for 50. So here it is. So here's the steering wheel. We got red leather right here on the top and red leather at the bottom. And the sides were supposed to be Alcantara, but they didn't have it, so they did what's it called? Suede. It's like a rougher material than Alcantara because we have Alcantara over here. It's very soft on the door, so you can definitely notice. But like this is what I went with. This is what I picked. I could have done like there's a lot of different customizations that you can do. You can pick any color, leather, and like some other material, any color, whatever they have, you can pick. So I went with this because I have like red seats, so it kind of matches, and like red logos everywhere. And on the sides, I just went with like I wanted Alcantara because it's like a racing style of having Alcantara on the sides. So this is similar to that. And basically, what was done here is I bought the leather. I mean the whole material for $50 on eBay from China. They also have only like two of them on Amazon. One is like with white instead of red, and like black leather on the sides with like holes. I don't know what that called, but yeah, that's that. And they also have some black one with some fake carbon fiber, and it looks very ugly. So I didn't need white, and the carbon fiber one is just terrible looking. I didn't want that, so I just went with this. I went on eBay, searched it up, found one, same price, like similar price, $50. Bought it. They had everything done except the stitching, obviously. So I had to get the stitching done on the steering wheel. So this was installed on top of the steering wheel. So now the steering wheel is even more fatter, and it's kind of nice to drive with. So I had a friend of mine that did this for me for $50, so I didn't have to bother doing it myself because I never done it before. So yeah, it's pretty cool. If you're in New York, um, I can try to hook you up with them. I believe they said they would do it for 150, which is with material. So material alone is $50. So you're only gonna pay like 150 total, but 100 for the job because it takes like 2 hours for her to do. And she just did a discount for me because she's a friend, and I helped her husband out. She just he asked her to like help me out and do a discount for me. So yeah, that's that. And if you guys want this steering wheel, just let me know. Ask in the comments below, or if you're in New York, like I said, I'll help you out. If not, you can do it for yourself for $50. Just order it and try stitching it yourself. There are like a lot of videos on YouTube how to do it. If you wanna if you don't have much money, or if you just wanna do it yourself, if you trust yourself more or something, yeah, you can just do it yourself. But yeah, it's definitely worth buying a custom steering wheel like they have for like $1,000 or so, like 1,500 if you have the money, because they also different shape, which is pretty cool. But if you don't have the money, I feel like this is a perfect alternative to that because it only costs you like 100 or 150, and you have a nice looking steering wheel, custom with a nice feeling. It's fatter, it's nicer, feels very nice to drive with because it's leather and suede. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let me know if uh, you have any requests of this, or if you feel like this is a bad idea or not to do this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Leave a like, subscribe for more Tesla videos, and yeah, peace.